we have to wash our hands, obviously, which we already did because you don't want to get dirty cookies. And you need to heat up your oven to 350 degrees. And I've already added some of the butter, and let me add the rest of it.
Yeah, that looks icky.
And you also need to add white sugar and brown sugar.
This looks extremely weird.
I know, right? Like a scientist.
Whoa.
2.
Baking is science, just you use ovens.
3. And one of the brown sugar.
Because you're like mixing food. Is
Hey,
this
Celine.
like
There we go.
chemicals?
Celine, would you like to put in this one?
Yeah.
We have to.
Did you fully fill this up?
It's almost done. I'll add a little bit more.
Okay, just a little bit. Like that.
Perfect.
So now we have to mix the ingredients up. And you're gonna want to first put it at 2.
And after this is nice and creamy, we will add the other ingredients except the chocolate chips. Look at that.
It's so weird.
Okay, so now we've got to add the eggs and add the other ingredients.
I'm scared. Come on, little eggy. Ah! Oh no.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can do the second one here. Here you go.
Alrighty.
Beautiful.
There we go.
And now we start mixing it with the eggs. The eggs in this.
I just had to clean my hands because I was like icky and
Yeah, it was
sticky
kind of dirty.
situation.
And then after this, we add the other ingredients.
It's kind of starting to look like
Oatmeal.
Nah, mashed bananas.
Mashed potatoes, but very liquidy.
Yeah, it doesn't look like the color of mashed potatoes.
Oh, beautiful.
Make sure you get the corners. Icky situations. I think you missed some. Yeah. So we're gonna add the vanilla extract now, which I'm gonna do.
Be careful.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's too. You added a little too much.
Oh no.
No.
So now we have to do 1 of 3 cups of flour.
Oh,
There we go. Did it.
that's a lot.
I know.
And 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda.
That's a really tiny amount.
And 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
This is where you'd like to add a secret ingredient. We add a little bit of nutmeg and
A punch of cinnamon. The other brown stuff is the nutmeg.
that's a really tiny amount.
Yeah, you don't need to put that much. And now we mix it. Make sure you have it low or if you don't want to make a mess. Like for this one, the lowest one is 1.
It just goes.
Look at it. It doesn't look that wet anymore. It looks more dry. But just wait.
I really think we should do this with a spoon.
It's fine. It's fine. Just go slow. Can you hold the bowl? Now we need to add the chocolate chips. And these are our favorite ones.
Yeah.
We're going to add a 1/2 cup more of chocolate chips because we really like chocolate. You want to mix? Go ahead. You can mix. Yeah, don't do this with a mixer because it would make too much of a mess. Look at that. It's beautiful. It looks like melted chocolate chip cookies because it's exactly what it is. Beautiful.
More like uncooked.
So Celine, how long do we have to put this in? Because we're using almond flour. We have to put it to chill.
We're going to put it in the fridge for 1 hour.
Okay, great.
So now we took it out of the fridge because it's been there for like 30 minutes. And now we have to scoop it up. Scoop it up so we can make good cookies.
Now that they've been chilled, I'm going to scoop them to the sheet and then we can cook them and they'll be delicious cookies.
You sound like a chef.
Because I am.
Liz, let me scoop.
These just came out of the oven. They smell so good. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.